Hey, David here. Let's unbox this new wood burning kit. This is the Tekchic Pro2 wood burner dual pen kit. Bought on Amazon. I have it in my Amazon store. Link will be in the description box below. So here we have one of the stands for the wood burner pens. So just easily screwing it on with the nut that it comes with. So you can rest it on there when it's hot and you want to wait for it to cool down. Here we got the tips. It comes with 20 wood burner tips. Here they are laid out. Alright, so let's go through everything else in this kit. So we have the transformer box. The case is made out of aluminum alloy. We have the switch, we have the pen jacks, we have the temperature control. And back here we have the outlet for the power cord and just a regular plug. You can plug in like a fan or, anything that has a two-prong plug can fit in the back of here. Alright, so get this plugged in. Alright, we got a file. Got some sandpaper, 800 grit. We have the little screwdriver to change the wire tips. Got 2 wood slices that I'll try later. And we have the 2 pens here. So let's get this hooked up and try it out. Got a nice rubber handle here. Feels very comfortable in my hand. It's got these quality connectors like RC connectors, like cable, radio, or TV cables. Alright, so let's switch it to the right side and turn it on. So this is the voltage meter. Put it all the way, let's see, 61, let's see how it goes. And let's go all the way max. And look how quick that heats up. Bright. Quickly heats up real quick. Alright, let's try it out on some of this plywood here. Let's dial it down a little bit. Alright, let's try it here. Make a mark. And whoa, smoking, yeah. So I did return the other wood burner I was using. This is a nice upgrade to that. This is pretty much double the price. And so far I'm really liking it. So yeah, Cleve's Backyard Woodworking. Yo, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so to switch the tips is pretty easy. You unscrew the little screw sets that are on here and pull it out, put in a new wire tip and screw it back on. And I can imagine you can try and make your own tips with some wire. I may try that in the future. So let's see how quick this heats up. There we go, see it get bright red. And you can see here how quick it cools down when you lower the temperature. So I'm just messing around with it and seeing how it works. And there we have it, just a quick unboxing of the Tekchic Woodburner kit. Great upgrade to that other one I was using. I'll have that video pop up here at the end. But I'm really liking this one, and stay tuned to other videos where I'll be using this Woodburner. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And until next time, I'll catch you later.